This morning in Money Matters, we are learning about an underutilized financial product that can be extremely beneficial to all of you. Joining us this morning with what exactly that is and how to use it properly is our friend Jeff Massey from Massey Associates. Welcome back, Jeff.
Always a pleasure.
Always good to see you. You always have so much valuable information for us, and I think it's so crucial that people pay so close attention, because when it comes to our finances, we want to make a strategic plan, and we want to follow through with that, because that really is such an important part of all of our lives. But first of all, let's really get to what this underutilized financial product is and why you think it is underutilized.
Well, it's called life insurance. Now, a lot of people, when they hear that word, they kind of shut their brain off. And why would that be? Well, who wants to think about their demise, whether it's us or our loved ones? So I think that's why it's underutilized. We're talking about it today because May 2nd is Life Insurance Day. Now, we have a life insurance month later in the year, but this is Life Insurance Day. So I thought it would be a good topic to bring up to help fulfill a well-rounded financial plan.
Absolutely, so appropriate today, really, and any day, but some heightened awareness on a day like today is so crucial. And you're so right. When people hear those words, I know I've done it too. There's a tendency to shut down and try to move on to something else, but we really need to be cognizant of it. Let's talk about some common uses for life insurance.
Well, the most common would be when we're younger. So when I got licensed back in '87, they said 2 reasons to buy life insurance. You love somebody or you owe somebody. Now there's a third one, and that's you really dislike paying income taxes. And that's more of a retirement planning kind of concept. But for most folks, starting out especially, young, potentially married, children, mortgage, you want to pay the least amount of premium and get the biggest death benefit to protect your family,
right.
Whether it's to pay off the mortgage, to allow your surviving spouse to raise the children, pay for college, etc. That's one of the bigger ones, but there are many other uses along the way, like for businesses, business partners. You could have a key person insurance. It's a way to leverage up to give more to a special charity. Like I have a favorite charity, A Wish Come True. They help terminally ill children get a nice event, a trip of some sort. You know, so you could do that as well with life insurance.
Which is so crucial, and you alluded to so many different reasons that are appropriate and that might be beneficial to somebody out there, which is great. But different types of life insurance, Jeff, what do we need to know here?
Term insurance has no cash value, and it terminates. So you could get long ones, 20, 25, even 30 years in length. But it's the cheapest way to buy life insurance. However, there's a different type. It's called a cash value type life insurance plan, where you turn it upside down, meaning it's more of a budget. Let's say you could put $1,000 a month into it,
right.
But you want the least amount of life insurance to keep the cost down, to really grow the cash value, which grows tax deferred, and properly structured, you can take it out tax free towards retirement. So that's a different concept completely.
And for you, just helping people become more financially literate, if you will, to have a better understanding of all of this, I know is what you're all about. You want people to make those informed decisions, don't you?
Right, it's just part of a comprehensive plan, and especially we're retirement planners. So life insurance, we've had people come in and say, well, I have life insurance, but I think I'm going to cancel, I don't need it anymore. And I go, well, hold on.
Right.
Let's look at it this way. What if you have a spouse and they both have large amounts in their IRA accounts, which are all taxable?
Right.
Well, when one person passes, the surviving spouse, even though income is typically reduced, they could often end up jumping a tax bracket. So we help them methodically and strategically convert the always tax money, the regular IRA, into Roth conversions, and the life insurance can pay the tax bill.
All vital information with regard to our finances and lives. Jeff, thank you so much for being here.
Always a pleasure.
Always a pleasure to have you on our Rhode Show set. If you'd like more information on Massey Associates and to learn about how they can help you make the most of your life insurance, just head to our website, rhodeshow.com, for more details.